Getting your Coinbase wallet connected to the decentralized web can sometimes feel like a puzzle. Have you ever tried to access a hot new DeFi protocol or mint an NFT only to get stuck at the Connect Wallet button? If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the simple, step-by-step process of connecting your Coinbase wallet to any decentralized application, or dApp. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of Web3. First, you need to understand that the connection process is slightly different depending on whether you're using a desktop computer or your mobile device. Let's start with desktop. Step 1. Go to the dApp and find the Connect button. Navigate to the dApp you want to use, like Uniswap or OpenSea. You'll almost always find a Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the screen. Click it. Step 2. Choose Coinbase Wallet. A list of wallet options will pop up. Select Coinbase Wallet. This will usually display a QR code on your screen. Step 3. Scan the QR code with your mobile app. Now, grab your phone. Open the Coinbase Wallet mobile app. Look for the scan icon. It's often a small square or 3 dots leading to a menu. Tap it to open your camera and scan the QR code on your desktop screen. Step 4. Confirm the connection. Your mobile app will prompt you to confirm the connection to the specific dApp. Always review the details to ensure you're connecting to the correct site, then tap Connect. Just like that, your wallet address will appear on the dApp's website, and you're ready to transact. Now, what if you're on a mobile device? This is even easier. Step 1. Use the wallet's built-in browser. The most seamless way is to use the dedicated dApp browser built right into your Coinbase Wallet app. Open the app and tap on the Browser tab, which looks like a compass or a globe. Step 2. Navigate to the dApp. Type the dApp's URL into the search bar, or choose one from the list of popular dApps. Step 3. Connect automatically. Because you are accessing the dApp from the Coinbase Wallet browser, the connection is often automatic. If it's not, just tap the Connect Wallet button on the dApp, select Coinbase Wallet, and the connection should happen instantly without needing a QR code. The app will confirm the successful connection. Remember to disconnect when you're done. It's a vital security habit. In your Coinbase Wallet settings or the Browser tab, you'll find a list of connected dApps. Simply tap to disconnect any you are no longer actively using. And that's it. Whether you're farming yield, trading tokens, or exploring the NFT galaxy, connecting your Coinbase Wallet is your first port of call. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.